What's going on, guys? This is Chandler Smith, and I'm super excited about today because we're gonna be taking you and showing you an update on the house. We're also gonna go look at my properties, and most importantly, we are here with Chakits.
What's up, guys?
How are you, dude?
It's actually Chakits.
Guys, I just practiced. How many times did I practice your name?
Tons of times.
Like literally dozens. But your name's not that hard. I'm just.
It's all right. It's Chakits, but sometimes people call me Charles, Chris. So
perfect. Well, Chakits.
Yep.
We are on our way to go check out my properties.
Yep.
We're gonna go look at my house, and we're gonna talk about your channel, where you've gotten millions of views with people looking at these high-end homes in Las Vegas. You're actually a realtor.
That is
in
correct.
Vegas. What this means is we're gonna have to take another trip out to Vegas.
Yes.
To come and meet up with you again. But with all that being said, we're gonna jump into this video.
All right, let's get at it.
All right, dude. First off, what do you think of Idaho?
I actually love the weather. The cold, not so much. But right now the weather's great. The only thing I don't like is when you have that little snowflake, and as soon as it hits your clothes, it starts to get wet. And my shoes, I got the wrong shoes.
Dude, I wish I could get a deal with Vessi because I wear these every day. Unfortunately, I don't make any money if people buy them, but they're waterproof, so they're the best. But I know you wanted to drive the cars.
Yeah.
And that was kind of the plan. However, if we look out here, we're gonna give you guys just a little taste. These cars don't work in snow. This is what we're dealing with right now. Super foggy. It's been snowing all night. We're gonna have to crush your hopes and dreams of being able to drive the cars today. I don't know, maybe we can pick up some chains or something. Do you think chains?
I don't know about that.
We'll just have to use the Raptor. All right, guys, I'm here with Chakits.
Chakits. Chakits. It's Chakits!
You guys are gonna think we're planning this, but it's so hard for me to not. I'm an Idaho boy, so I just blend everything together. But guys, so get this. My videographer was supposed to show up and we get a call from him that he went off the road because the roads are terrible today. So I decided I would drive holding my phone up on the terrible roads. Oh, is our turn? No.
Okay, red light.
It's really unfortunate though, because I think he may have totaled his car. We're gonna get footage and put it on here, but we're gonna go pick him up, and he's still down to record for us today. He's just a gentleman and a scholar. But it's gonna mix up the vlog a little bit because now we've gotta go and pick him up, and then we'll go over to the house and go over and look at some properties.
Which makes great content, by the way.
Yeah. All right, guys. This is James. He's my videographer. We got to see what damage has been done over here. This is what happens when you drive a Prius in Idaho, I guess. Dude, James. I'm sorry, man. Rough morning for the home team. Yep. Darn it. I'm sorry, dude. That sucks. I was making fun of your Prius. That's the problem. I asked James to pick up flowers for my mom for Valentine's Day. Yep. Did they survive?
Yep.
Did they really? I gotta see this.
The vase kind of spilled everywhere, but...
Let's go. Legendary. We made it. Dude, I'm sorry. I wish that your car fared as well as my mom's flowers. So James, you said it was okay for us to record. I just feel really bad. You doing all right?
Yeah.
It's funny though, I asked you if you were sad about your car, and your first answer was, yeah, I'm good because my camera equipment's okay. You're the real MVP. All right, guys, we're gonna give you a quick taste of the house. Now, if you haven't seen my tour up to this point, you can click the link up here. However, we have finished a bunch of things. We're only gonna give you a little taste in this video. If you wanna see the full video, now that the house is completely framed, you can head over to his channel, and we're gonna make sure we put a link down in the description, because after all, you are the home video tour guy.
Yeah, I guess so. That's what they say. So what we're gonna do today is just tour and kind of see what this is really all about.
Awesome. We'll put the link in the description for his channel. You can go check it out. All right, guys, we are here and we've seen a lot of the house. What do you think?
You know what? I actually love it. Homes compared to like Vegas and here and what you can get for your money, and the way that you designed this home is like out of this world. So
I cannot wait to see the finished product on here.
Thanks, man. I'm excited to show you. We're gonna have to have you back. I know for my audience, I already did a video showing main floor, basement, kind of up to this point. Now that we have the roof on, I did want to show everybody the view, and I know that was something you liked. You cool if we go look at it one more time?
Yeah, of course. Yeah, let's go.
This gives you kind of a view of the living room, and we'll have our fireplace and stuff there. You've got the windows out the back. Over here, you're gonna have a loft, and I'm excited about this, just a cozy place to hang out with the TV. All of this is just bedrooms and bathrooms. But back here, I kind of wish was my bedroom. We didn't lay it out that way, but we wanted to use all the space, so it ended up a really big bedroom. So we're gonna have a bathroom here, but we decided to put a balcony off of the back of the house. I'm sure this is gonna cause me issues later with my kids, but when you look out here, you can see down into the pool room, but then you can also see the spread of the whole acreage. So, well guys, that's all we're gonna show here. If you wanna see the framed home completed, you can hop over to his channel. We just walked through all of it, and then we're gonna have you back out once it's finished to look at it again. So make sure that you go over and follow and subscribe. Your channel is something else, just because he's got some incredible multi-million-dollar homes out of Vegas, and they've been viewed millions and millions of times. You're just really good at showing people's house, so they got to go check that out. But also, when it comes to being a realtor and using social media to absolutely kill it, he is on another level, and we're going to talk about that more in just a minute. But make sure you click the link in the description and go and subscribe. All right, guys, we just got over to the 32-plex and the 15-plex, and we're gonna come over here and see what he thinks. All right, dude, you've had a chance to tour the property. What do you think?
You know what? I love it. I can't wait to get my own.
Is it getting, are you salivating a little bit?
Yes, I am. I'm actually very excited. Like, I'm ready to go back home and start looking for deals. It can be done. I'm so inspired right now.
Dude, the exhaust on that little rice grinder. The reason we're doing this video is, one, I have wanted to pick up a second home in Vegas. So I've been connecting more and more there because we do have family on my wife's side there. This is the guy to connect with. But two, I came to find out that you're looking for a multifamily property to buy in Vegas. I'm trying to get outside of Idaho Falls. And so naturally, we both have a YouTube channel. We both like real estate, and so we wanted to put this together, and you came out and we actually did a video on your channel about the numbers on this property. But when you compare the numbers on this to in Vegas, I mean, talk about some of the differences and what you think about this deal in this market.
So if you were gonna buy something like this in Vegas, you're paying about $100,000 per door, and the cap rates are only about 3%. Every market is completely different, and that's what I'm starting to realize. And that's the reason why I came out here, to meet the man himself, because your knowledge and your education, I mean, it's unbelievable. And look, if you're gonna get into real estate, you gotta go and meet the guy, and this is the guy that does it all. And that's the real reason I'm actually here, because I also wanna get something like this out in Vegas, but nothing in Vegas really meets what you're making out here. It's unbelievable. So now you better watch out. I may be coming out here to get some.
Well, dude, thank you so much for going all over the place with us today. I wanted to kind of give you the full experience, but there's one more part of that experience that we've got to take and give you. We've showed you some of the properties, we've gone to the house, but now we got to go hang out with Garrett and get you some food.
That's right. Let's go get some food.
All right, let's head over. All right, so we gave you a tour of the properties. We've been to the house. We've been all over the place today. However, I did just call Garrett. And he's gonna whip up a little bit of meat for us. We're gonna head over to his place. But while we're driving over, I wanted you to give me the rundown on what I need to do, because I want to buy a condo and I want to set up as a vacation rental or something like that in Las Vegas.
So when it comes to like properties like that, what I'm gonna do is set you up in a search. Whoa! Stop! Yo, here's the thing. I know Garrett, he likes Red Bulls.
Okay.
I do really enjoy your beverages. You don't have to pay me. I just would love to put it in my Instagram bio. Red Bull sponsored affiliate.
We gotta get him some Red Bulls. Go to the gas station. Oh, he likes the strong stuff.
Yeah. Decided to get the whole thing, huh?
Yep. So here's the thing. If they won't sponsor him, I'll sponsor him. Now going back to buying a condo, I probably wouldn't buy a condo because HOAs are just too high, and on a resale, what's going to happen is when you decide to sell it, when the market crashes, let's say if it does, first thing to go is high rises. Second thing to go, condos. Third thing is townhomes, then single family residence. So if I'm going to spend high HOAs, I might as well just apply that money towards a higher purchase price because your debt to income ratio, and get a single family residence and stick with a 3 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms, 2 car garage. Your money's going to go a lot further with that.
Love it. And it's funny because I always tell people to never buy condos as investment properties. Obviously, people always want to buy condos because usually they're at a lower price point.
Yeah.
But it just doesn't make sense. So that's great information. You said 3-bedroom home, 2-car garage. If I was going to get something, do you think that would do well vacation rental wise? And if so, have you seen people kill it, or is that?
Yeah, as far as for rental wise, yes. It really depends on the type of returns that you're going to get. You're probably only going to get about a 2% return. But a lot of people that do buy that, they'll just pretty much stay at it like a Airbnb. They don't really, stay that long. So they'll just come out, stay for a couple days, and leave. But that's the best way to go. And the reason why I steer clients that way is because I always look at a resale value. So you always want to have a 3 bedrooms, 2.5 bathrooms, or 2 bathrooms, 2-car garage minimum requirement.
Have you seen people do vacation rental where they're ever able to cover their mortgage and still have cash flow on top of that?
Now, with vacation rentals, if you do it like Airbnb, and they really frowned upon that because of the casinos, obviously. So if you look at Henderson, the city of Henderson, a lot of people will do the Airbnbs, and you can triple, double your money. I know people that are making like, $8,000 a month off of Airbnb. So it's all case by case basis. But obviously, there's a lot of turnovers and stuff like that too as well. But that's a whole nother business on its own. If you're just looking for a vacation home, especially for yourself, you're probably not going to do an Airbnb. It's just going to be, hey, I'm just going to buy it, leave it empty. When I come, I can just come at my leisure.
We made it. Let's go see what Garrett's got cooking for us.
Hey, I'm your sponsor, bro. You're getting sponsored right now. There you go, man.
Oh my God.
So guys, thank you so much. If you enjoyed this video where we're kind of just all over the place, showing you a day in the life of a YouTuber, real estate investor, salesman, and everything else we got going on, make sure you smash the like button, subscribe to the channel, and we'll look forward to seeing you in the future videos. Thanks, guys.